trying to get all of it. Mainly like this area right down there is hard to get. Same with like under here, the fin and stuff. Quick update. So a lot of the outside is kind of done, mainly the sides, and got to do the front, and then pretty much all the insides. Alright, a lot of it is done, I think. No, front is really hard to do, and I'm trying to do that. So, just getting the hood right now. The body is pretty much all done, and now I just gotta do doors, bed, everything like that. Alright, well, I tried doing the doors as best as I could. Inside is very hard to do, so tried doing as much as I could, and yeah, I attempted to do, did as much as I could on the tailgate. So many little corners and stuff, it's very hard to get to, but my dad will go over it and do like as much as he can. We got the other door, and then I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I have to, so we'll figure that out. But I just have to do the door, and then we'll be done mainly. Look at this. So I got most of it done. So now I have to go on to this, but everything else is pretty much done. My dad will probably just go over it. Alright, well, pretty much finished. I'm gonna let my dad do these, and doors, hood, everything is all done. And a couple parts in the body, like I don't know how I'm supposed to do all that. Weird, but anyways, yeah, so this is pretty much all done.